Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're checking out the Punieayi GPS Drone with camera for adults, a feature-packed foldable drone that combines a built-in 5.7-inch FPV touchscreen controller, GPS intelligent flight modes, and an impressive total flight time of up to 100 minutes. If you've been looking for a beginner-friendly drone that doesn't require connecting your smartphone every time you fly, this one definitely deserves a closer look. So, is this drone really worth buying? What do all these specifications actually mean in real-world flying? And why has this drone become such a popular choice among first-time drone pilots? Let's find out. One of the biggest highlights is the integrated 5.7-inch FPV touchscreen built directly into the remote controller. Instead of mounting your phone and dealing with apps, cables, or incoming notifications, you get a dedicated live view screen that's ready the moment you power on. It creates a much more convenient flying experience, especially for beginners and casual users who simply want to enjoy flying. The camera features a 4K photo resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels along with 2K video recording at 30 frames per second. The camera lens can tilt up to 90 degrees, allowing you to easily switch between forward-looking scenery and dramatic downward aerial shots. Whether you're recording vacations, hiking trips, family events, or simply exploring new locations, the adjustable camera gives you plenty of flexibility for creative footage. Flight time is another standout feature. The package includes two high-capacity 7.6V 3,800 mAh intelligent batteries that provide a combined flight time of up to 100 minutes. That's significantly longer than many drones in this price range, meaning you spend more time flying and less time waiting for batteries to recharge. GPS functionality makes flying much easier and much safer. The drone supports GPS Follow Me mode, Circle Fly, Rocket mode, Helix mode, and automatic return to home. If the battery becomes low or the signal is interrupted, the drone can automatically fly back to its takeoff location. These intelligent flight features help new pilots fly with greater confidence while also making cinematic shots much easier to capture. Transmission range is rated at approximately 6,500 feet under ideal conditions, giving you plenty of room to explore open outdoor spaces while maintaining a stable FPV connection. Combined with the responsive GPS positioning system, flights remain smooth and predictable. The drone uses efficient brushless motors, which offer quieter operation, improved durability, and better flight stability than traditional brushed motors. It's also designed to handle level 4 wind resistance, helping maintain steady flight during mild outdoor breezes. For beginners, Punieayi includes several helpful flight assists. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, beginner mode, adjustable speed settings, altitude limits, and distance limits allow first-time pilots to learn gradually without feeling overwhelmed. These safety features make the learning process much more enjoyable and reduce the stress of flying for the first time. The drone itself folds into a compact design for easy transportation and weighs approximately 312 grams. A carrying case is included, making it simple to bring along on vacations, camping trips, hiking adventures, or weekend outings. Another thoughtful addition is the built-in composition guides displayed on the FPV screen. Options like the rule of thirds grid, center point, and diagonal guides help users frame better photos and videos, making aerial photography more enjoyable even if you're completely new to drones. Overall, the Punieayi GPS drone offers an excellent combination of convenience, intelligent GPS features, long battery life, and beginner-friendly controls. The integrated touchscreen controller removes one of the biggest hassles of flying consumer drones, while the extended 100-minute total flight time gives you more opportunities to capture amazing aerial footage. Add in GPS Follow Me, auto return, foldable portability, brushless motors, and a 4K camera, and you've got a well-rounded drone that's built for fun, travel, and everyday aerial photography. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.